Hey there, game lovers! Welcome back to Emi Quiz. Are you ready to start today's challenge? Today we're going to explore 70 of the most famous snack logos and you have only 4 seconds to guess each one. Think you can handle it? Let's find out. Don't miss out! Hit the subscribe button and start taking out exciting challenges with Emi Quiz. Are you ready for your first snack logo? It's Pringles. Next round. KFC. Which snack logo is this? McDonald's. Would you rather KFC or McDonald's? Like this video if you're a KFC fan, or else comment McDonald's if you love this brand's food more. Bingo! This is Lay's. Guess this snack logo. Very good! Oreo. Domino's Pizza. How about this one? This is Gatorade. Remember the position of all logos. Where's the Lay's logo located? Your memory's good. Lay's located at number 1. Next logo. What's your answer? Hershey's. Do you have any ideas? Burger King. Guess this one. Wendy's. How many Wendy's logos are there? How many Wendy's logos can you count in this table? Comment below and let Emi know. Do you know the name of this snack logo? Goldfish. Guess this logo. Kellogg's. The correct answer is Skittles. How about this one? Taco Bell. Guess this snack logo. It's Kit Kat. Bingo! Cheetos. Can you find the odd one out? You've got it! It's right here! Are you ready for the next snack logo? Cheez-It. The correct answer is Starburst. What's your answer? Chupa Chups. Do you have any ideas? Twix. Do you know the name of this snack logo? Snickers. Which snack logo is this? Haribo. Guess the real Haribo mascot. The right answer is A. Guess this one. Dunkin' Donuts. Baskin-Robbins. How about this one? Popeyes. Guess this snack logo. Ben & Jerry's. What's your answer? Tootsie Roll. It's Häagen-Dazs. Would you rather Ben & Jerry's or Baskin-Robbins? Leave a comment, Ben & Jerry's or Baskin-Robbins, to vote for your favorite ice cream that you think tastes the best. What's your answer? Subway. Can you guess this snack logo? Combos. The correct answer is Nutella. Which snack logo is this? Sun Chips. Jolly Rancher. How about this one? It's Pizza Hut. Do you have any ideas? M&M's. Can you find two differences between these two pictures? Comment the eagle eye if you found them all. Tostitos. Guess this snack logo. Crunch. Guess this one. Whoppers. Chick-fil-A. Next logo, what's your answer? Doritos. Can you find the odd one out? You've got it! It's right here! How about this one? Starbucks. Any ideas? Smarties. Do you recognize this logo? Hostess. Which snack logo is this? Twinkies. Planters. Guess this snack logo. Takeies. Pop-Tarts. Would you rather Twinkies or Pop-Tarts? Quickly comment Twinkies or Pop-Tarts to vote your favorite snack. Do you have any ideas? Jelly Belly. The correct answer is Dove. Milka. Next logo, what's your answer? Quaker. Swedish Fish. Next logo, any ideas? Runts. Find the logo without pairs. The correct answer is Runts. Tropicana. Do you have any ideas? Mars. Ritz. Guess this one. Minute Maid. Sonic Drive-In. Fanta. Nestle. Thank you for being a part of Challenge today. Let Emi and others to know your results by commenting below. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications for future challenges. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye!